Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, depending on whenever you're seeing this. So, today I was thinking about something, and this is somewhere that I read this somewhere about the lotus flower. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, all of you know that the lotus flower is like really symbolic. Nobody knows why it's symbolic, but it just shows up everywhere. Even it's a national flower of India. So, like, the story of the lotus flower goes like this. It it starts growing from the most shittiest, from the most muddiest of water, like the most shittiest of conditions. And as the stem grows upwards, it reaches the surface of water, it reaches the top of the surface of water, where the environment is nice, where it's like free and everything, away from the mud and everything. That's when the flower blooms. So, like, even though as the lotus flower is growing, it derives its nutrition from the mud, from the the bad environment. It doesn't forget like the bigger picture, that there is something waiting on the other side, that there is a light on the other side of the cave, that there is something better like in store for it. And that's where it blooms, and because it knows that its beauty will be appreciated once it reaches like the surface of the water. You agar niche bloom karega pani ke, who will be bothered to look at it, right? So I feel like this is like a lesson, like, even though like we're all I feel like everyone like in their life, they're all self-improving, everyone's going through their own shit, but just remember that there is a higher quality of life available. Don't forget that, like, that's something you strive for. And like, all you need is like a little bit of courage, a little bit of guts to make that decision, to strive for that higher quality of life, whatever it is, whether it's your like not able to adapt to a new environment or something, maybe a job, maybe some college, maybe in a hostel or anything. I don't like any scenario of life. Like, don't forget, like, things can be a lot better, and if they're not becoming better for you, have the right people with you, honestly. Like, good company and like the people you have, I feel like whenever you like fall down, or like whenever like you're not able to carry on by yourself, that's where the people around you come in. That's the importance of having the right people with you. I know that that might not be the case for everyone with their family. Then maybe that that good company can be in form of friends, maybe that's in the form of teachers, or like someone, like any person or any like thing can be that good company for you. So yeah, don't forget, like, there is something greater waiting for you. Whatever life you're facing right now, it is not the end. Like, I remember Shahrukh Khan का एक डायलॉग होता था कि अंत में सब ठीक हो जाता है, और अगर सब ठीक नहीं है तो ये अंत नहीं, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. सो या, जस्ट वांट टू शेयर दिस विद यू. मैंने आज कुछ लोगों को भी बताया था इसके बारे में. सो या, थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग. बाय, टेक केयर.